Eyes up, here's the bell tower. Built in 1202, it has undergone several reconstructions over time. Initially, it was too low to properly spread the sound of its bells, so it was demolished in favour of a taller and steadier structure. Eyes up, the tower is 17 metres high. If you hear the sound of the bells, remember that once that sound adjusted everyday life. Its modern profile is still extraordinary today, isn't it? It is said that a tourist amazed by the construction asked if the bell tower had been built in Cogne. The parish priest's witty response was not long in coming. "Oh no, sir, it was shipped well packed from Paris." Never challenge the Cogne.